What is up, you guys? I decided to make another video. Not really doing anything. I was offered a good deal on the Gato, so I'll probably be getting it soon. If you can hear my TV, it's not bad. But, well, I don't know. Not much been going on lately. Just got into high school. Sucks. Well, check out the channel if you haven't already, and subscribe. Decided to make this video. Me playing Dead Rising. If you guys even care. Well, that's it for this video.